boys and girls, welcome to Learning Guitar. So we have another song from Alexander Stewart. He's been here many times before, and if you're a fan of him, then make sure to subscribe to this channel. He'll be back for sure. This time we have a song called His Problem instead. So Alexander, he says good luck and bye-bye. So that's the song we're going to look into. We have the capo sets here on the 3rd fret. And with that, we have 4 different chords. Very simple. This is the chord progression that goes round and round through the entire song. So let's dive into the chords, starting here with the F. That's the bar chord where you place the index finger on the 1st fret. You're going to push down all strings there. And then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. That's the F chord. Next is C. Okay, so it will play 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have G next, and that goes 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And then we have the A minor, and that will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Okay, so we're going to learn the strumming. If you go back to the 1st chord, the F, you're going to play down, down, up, down, like this. The first 2 down, I want to separate them. So the first down, I play on the bass strings. And the next down and everything else there, I play in the mid-top area. Okay, so that is 1 round, and a couple of rounds to get the feeling for the rhythm. It goes like this. And so on. All right, so I mentioned 1 chord progression from beginning till the end. That's how it goes. F, 2 string rounds, C, 2 string rounds, G, 2 string rounds, then A minor 1 and G1. Okay, so F2, C2, G2, A1, G1, like this. Again. Okay, so that is how it goes. And right before the chorus, you play the F, C, and the G chord. Then you have this pause, but it's basically the same chord progression anyway, because you have the pause that remains as if you would play the A minor and the G. So if you want to play during that time, it's okay. You can just roll the same chord progression, or you can, just before the chorus starts, when you start to sing, so good luck, that's the pause. So yeah, Alexander Stewart, His Problem instead. Good luck with this one, and I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial. And if it was helpful, please leave me a like on this one, and let's see if we can learn this. Next time, play tuned.